Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to upscale image in Canva. So what you have to do is go on apps right over here on the left side. Now type on the search bar image upscaler. You have to download this app, image upscaler. Click on open. Now here select page. Click on continue. Select the page from here. I'm selecting page 1 and click on export. Now from here select the maximum size to 8x and click on upscale. Now as you can see, the result is in front of you. The image quality improved a lot. So that's how you can upscale image using Canva. So that's it for the video. If you find this video helpful, consider a like and subscribing the channel. Thank you very much.